I am back with our third breathing video. I hope that you're finding them useful, and please do let me know how you're finding each exercise. We're going to be using our hands again for this one, and we're going to be blocking out two of our main senses, our vision and also our hearing, really to draw in and focus for some really lovely breathing, inhaling, and then we're actually going to be humming a really low vibration, which is going to really relax our body and our mind. Using our hands, we are joining our two fingers together. We're going to block our vision and block our ears. And if you just want to follow me first of all, I'm going to take a nice big breath in through my nose and then a nice long exhale, but through a hum. And I'm going to repeat this a couple of times. So a really lovely exercise for really bringing the energy down. A lovely exercise before bed, even doing it under your duvet with your eyes closed, ready for bed. It makes you sleepy and calm. And obviously practice it with your child with your eyes closed as well. They might feel a little bit vulnerable as they have their eyes closed, and obviously we're blocking two very important senses that we are so reliant of. So practice with your child, doing it at the same time and sitting close together as well. It's a lovely connection breathing activity. It can make children laugh as well, because obviously we do look a bit odd like this, so the more we do something, the less funny something gets. So repetition is key for this one. So thank you so much for watching. Namaste. Please join us for our next breathing video, and I hope to see you really soon.